Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set the custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, of course, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the watch application, and once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see this face gallery icon right here at the bottom. Tap on it, and then find the photos category and tap on it. Here you have examples of the watch faces. Tap on the one you like the most, and now we can customize our watch face. First, we can add content to it, and we have shuffle and choose photos. Shuffle basically allows you to select the folder or album, and whatever is in that folder or album will be shuffled on your watch face. So basically it will randomly display pictures from that folder. And you can select features, nature rather, my bad, or collection. And collection allows you to select specific album, as you can see. And you can also select specific pictures. You can tap on choose photos, it will open the photo app, and you can tap on the picture to select it. And you can select multiple up to 24 pictures. So select the pictures you like, tap on the check mark, and the pictures will appear as a preview, as you can see. And here you can change the time size, basically the position and size of the clock. And once you're done, you can scroll down and you have the type of font. Next we have numerals, and then we have style, and you can basically apply a kind of a filter on it. And then we can tap on the time color, so you can change the time of the clock. And also you can add some widgets, basically the information on the watch face. It's called complications, and you can tap on top. And for example, let's select battery, and then we have bottom, let's select, I don't know, maybe today's date. Did it appear? I don't see it. Lunar date is appearing. The today's date is not for some reason, which is interesting. But let's select today's date. Okay. And once you're done setting up your watch face, you can tap on add button right here, and it will be added to your watch face menu. And now when you go to my watch, my faces, it will be here. And you can tap on it and scroll down, tap on set as current watch face, and it will be used as your current watch face. And if you had multiple pictures used as a watch face, I believe each time you wake up the screen, it should shuffle between them. So if we turn off the screen, wake it up. Did I select only one? Yeah, I selected only one, so it won't shuffle. But when you select multiple, it will shuffle between them. When you wake up the screen, each time you wake up screen on your watch. Okay, and that's how you set the custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.